So in the last video you saw me how I did this. This front suspension came out really good. Now I have the pile of laser parts, like for this one, rear axle, splines, etc. All this needs to go on that, but I don't know, maybe just put first the engine in it. So this is already part 6 of my Powerwheel build. I'm doing this build because I was inspired by many YouTubers. I think 6 years ago, Grindcard put a video from the Barbie Mustang online, and 10 other YouTubers began to make little Powerwheels, and they look such much fun to drive in it. So now I'm grown up, I can do this thing. It's my first project of many to come, hopefully, because I really like doing this. So enjoy the video, and yeah, bye.
Oh no, no, no.
So here I'm using a piece of cardboard to play around and find the mounting holes of the engine and figure out how to put it into the chassis. When I was glad of the result, I took it and take all my measurements into my advanced notebook. Cut out, beautiful. Goes here. This one goes here, but these holes for this one. The other one is for that one. So now we're gonna figure out how to add this to this. So, because this measurement, I have a plate for it, but the sucker here is not in line with this one, so yeah. So I'm gonna try the other bike. You have like a piece here, cut it off, and weld it to the plate.
What?
So I added now this part. I've connected a bolt. So these two plates have the same. Now we're gonna weld it.
Not amazing, but it is what it is. So I have installed the plate that connects the engine, but the meaning of these holes are to run like hours, and I think I'm now gonna like add a bolt here so I can regulate this. So I'm gonna do this now.
But first, I'm gonna pet this cute cat. Look at it. He's adorable. My little Speedy. Yeah, his name is Speedy because he's fast as fuck boy.
So I added these bolts. Yeah, focus. Yes. So you can tighten it and just like adjust it. Same for this side. So I installed the engine bracket. Fit, nicely fit. Just here you have a gap, but I think if you fill up this line, it's gonna be strong enough. So I'm just gonna leave it. Next part, we're gonna take the engine set in there and look for the gut mounts. You have the two bolts running through the engine. Sprocket will go from there to here, then leave to the rear axle. So after 3 tries, this pipe, it now for welding, gonna do the same for this side, but it's not symmetric. Like this one is here, this one is here, so yeah. So the engine is mounted here with this bolt, this bolt. Same for this side, just a pipe up with the plate. Now we're gonna remove the engine and tack everything together.
So in the next episode I will start to work on my rear suspension, so see ya.